Linus Tech Tips coverage of CES 2015 is brought to you by Phantom Glass. Visit store.phantom.glass for the best darn screen protectors out there, as well as HyperX. So I've got my lovely Vanna White here, who thought he was going to hide throughout the video, but of course I'm not gonna let him get away with that, showing off the GT80 Titan SLI-009. This has been all over the internet as the world's first, maybe for a reason, gaming notebook with a built-in Cherry MX mechanical keyboard. So MSI was quick to pull out the keycap puller and show off that these are not just any mechanical key switches, these are genuine Cherry MX key switches. They also pointed out that they went to great lengths to find exactly the right red LEDs. These are not just the standard provided ones for red LEDs.